Hi everyone, welcome to another math class. Before I start the lesson, I write for you the answer for the lesson 14E exercise. Answer to lesson 14E. Exercise. Number 1. (65/24), or you can write as whole number in fraction, 2/17/24. And number 2, 95/12, or equal to 7/11/12. The title for our new lesson is Subtraction. Subtraction of common fractions. Subtraction of common fractions. Same as addition. We find LCD, or lowest common denominator, or common denominator, LCD. The only difference is that we subtract numerators. For example, if you have 3/4 minus 1 over 4. We know that both denominators are same, so the common denominator is 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 3, 3. Minus 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 over 4. Now we can reduce this one. 1 times 2, 2, 2, 4. It is equal to 1 over 2. Now I solve for you another example. 3 1 over 5 minus 1 5 over 6. First we should simplify it as a numerator and denominator. 3 times 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 over 5 minus 1 times 6, 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 over 6. Now the common denominator is 5 times 6 is 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 16, 6, 6, 36. 6, 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 3 is 9, 96. Minus 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 5 times 11 is 55. That is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, and for 9 minus 5 is 4, 41 over 30. Now we divide 41 by 30. 1 times 30 is 30. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is equal to 1, 11 over 30. In subtraction, we subtract small fraction, same as the subtraction of numbers. Small fraction from big or large. Number 1. If denominators be the same, what we do? The fraction will with greatest number is greater. Greatest number is greater. For example, we have 3 over 4 and 1 over 4 or 5 over 4. Now we know that the 5 over 4, because both denominators are same, and because denominators are the same, this fraction is greater than this one. Now what we do, we write 5 over 4 minus 3 over 4, that is equal to 4 is common denominator, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 over 4 equal to 1 over 2. This is first denominator same, the largest, the biggest or the greatest denominator, we subtract from greatest the smallest one. Number 2, if the numerators be the same, then the fraction with small denominator, denominator is the greatest. For example, if you have two fraction, one is 7 over 1, the other is 7 over 2. Now we see the numerators are same. This is same 7, the one with the smallest numerator is the largest or the biggest or the greatest. What we do now, we subtract 7 over 1 from 7 over 1, 7 over 2. We know that 7 over 1 is 7 and 7 over 2 is 3.5. We obviously know that this is larger, bigger than this one. Now the common denominator is 1 times 2, 2. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 times 7 is 14, minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. That is equal to 14 minus 7 is 7 over 2. That is equal to 3 times 3, 1 over 2. Number 3, if both the numerator and denominators be different, first we find common denominator, then subtract small fraction from large or from big. For example, we have 3/5 and the other fraction is 1/2. Now we don't know which one is greatest. What we do, we find common denominator for them. Or both 5 times 2 is 10, 10 and 10. 10 divided by 5, 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 5 times 1, 5. Now we see that this denominator, both of the denominators are same, and this one is larger than this. This one, now what we do, 6/10 minus 5/10, that is equal to 10. 6 minus 5, that's equal to 6 minus 5 is 1/10. And now there's another example. 1/2, 2, 3/4, and 3, 1/6. First of all, we make this, all of them, with the denominator and numerator. 2 times 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3/2. The other is 2 times 8, 4, 8, 8 plus 3 is 11/4. And the next one is 18 plus 1, 19/6. Now we don't know which one is greater, because by the time, but addition doesn't matter. We write this one first, this one first, this one second. But here we first write the largest one, or big one. Now we should find the common LCD or common denominator. 2, 4, 6 divisible by 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, again 2, 1, 1 to 2, 3, and 3, 1, 1, 1. I do this faster because I know that you know this from previous lessons. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 is 12. We know that the LCD or lowest common denominator is 12. Now what we do? We see 12 is common denominator for all of them. 12, 12, 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 11 is 33. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 19 is 38. Now we subtract one of these from the largest one. The largest one is 33 over 8, 12, 38 over 12 minus, for example, 33 over 12. Now we see that the denominator is 12, and 12 divided by 1 is 12 is 1, 1 times 38, 38 minus 33, that is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 over 12. Now we know that we did this one and this one, there is remaining this one and this one. You know 18 over 12 is larger than 5 over 12. What we do? 18 over 12 minus 5 over 12. 18 over 12 minus 5 over 12, again 12 is the common denominator. 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is equal to 13 over 12. From previous lessons we know we should divide this one and with this one. This become 1 over 12. Okay, thank you for watching our videos, and thank you for your nice comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos with your families and friends, and press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.